Hey guys, the student leadership team have been busy around the college, brainstorming ideas for some very expansive fun. Many of these may already be coming to mind. Our heavy hitters have included the CLP Fun and Games period, recently No Bag Day, and quite excitingly, presently we have Shorts Day. This is raising awareness for speaking up and staying chatty to those around you. Personally, I love this as it is a wonderful opportunity to take initiative, making people happy by simply wishing them well and showing love, kindness and compassion so that they genuinely feel it. Any day now we will wake up and receive an invitation for the end of year celebration dinner. Speaking of the end of year celebration dinner, this will be held only 75 days away on the 22nd of September. The events to keep an eye out for before this exciting termination of our school year. We'll kick off this very lunchtime with some warm drinks, sweets, and hopefully donations from you guys in the cafe. Gold coin donations, perfectly fine, please. Oh, and that's to toast to speak up, stay chatty. Year 12, sleep, but definitely not least, if you've been in the gym of a Tuesday over these last few months, noticeable have been some very groundbreaking feats of courage on the rock climbing wall by many newly made friends. First Tuesday of next lunchtime, next term, to the end of the year, I personally invite everyone to come join us with Murray as we send it up the beautiful rock climbing wall that we have there and make the most of this genuinely awesome opportunity that we do have. And that's all from me. Thank you guys.
I'm Dylan, this is Monica. We're from the Community Services 2 and 3 class, and we're up on stage to make a very, very exciting announcement, and it may have something to do with the shirts that we're wearing. So, if you don't know, Rally for Life is a community fundraiser event that takes place all across the world. It's an event that brings communities together to fight back against cancer, celebrate cancer survivorship, and to remember loved ones that we've lost to cancer. And with that being said, Monica and I are proud to announce that in collaboration with the Tasmania Cancer Council, Hellyer College is hosting the first ever school-based Rally for Life in Australia. So yeah, it's quite a special opportunity for our school. However, we need all of your support as teachers, students, in between, all of you guys, to make this event the best we possibly can, as well as setting the standard for the rest of the country. And Monica is here to tell you how you can be a part of it.
Hello everyone. As Dylan said earlier, my name is Monica and I am a captain in charge of fundraising. I'm here to talk to you all about how and when to register up for Relay for Life. By next CLP lesson, your CLP teacher will have set up a team on our Relay for Life page. CLP teacher will be given further information in their pigeonholes by Friday morning. When your teacher has set up your team page, you will then have to register under the team with a registration fee of $5. After your CLP class is registered, you as a class must achieve the following goal by the 13th of September. The goal being to reach a minimum fundraising total of $200 if you can. We would aspire to that. From the next CLP lesson until the 13th of September, which is our last CLP lesson before the event, we will be holding a CLP competition for which classes are going to go up against each other to see who can fundraise the most before then. The CLP class to raise the most amount by the agreed upon dates earn their class a free lunch for their next CLP class. Throughout the term, we will be providing further information about Relay for Life and prior events as well. On the school social media pages and posted around the school, you will see different things coming up. Thank you all for listening, and if you would like further information about Relay for Life, feel free to come ask our community service classes or go directly to Alison and Philgate. Thank you very much.
shorts, I can assure you. Freezing cold. We're playing a game today. I'll give you the incentives that we have for sitting in Bruce Morale. I've got here with me 3 Taylor Swift tickets. So anyone would like to volunteer to win those. Okay, so basically the aim of the game is you've got to get all the clothes in the bag, on yourself, off, in the bag. The quickest one to do it wins the title. Put it on, put it off, put it back in the bag. Up on stage, yeah. The winner gets to be the second coolest person in the college behind me. Let's count in together, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Strong start from Dylan over there. He's Hardy, he's off to the races to go. Doesn't matter if they're on there. This is... That was certainly intense. Right, I might just clarify about the Taylor Swift tickets. I lied. Instead I've got 3 movie tickets for all of yous. There's one.
Going to the movies.
Alright, you get one, and then Smarty was given away, so I guess first in, best dress, who wants it? Attendance, 90% attendance draw I'm going to do, and I've got 5 vouchers to give away. But these are people that have got 90% attendance up to this point of the year. So these are the jets of attendance. Here we go. Are we spinning? Big round of applause.